Today I am going to repair the induction board. I have main board and the display panel. It is not working at all. When I check the main board through the series circuit, it is showing short. So we'll check what is the issue over here. I plug the power through the AC circuit, so it's showing short circuit. So now I'm going to check through the multimeter. So I kept it buzzer mode. So I'm going to check the bridge. I checked its bridge is showing short one side. See one, and then the another's okay. This is also short. I will check the IGBT as well. It's not showing any issues. Then I will check the capacitor also, because sometimes it's getting failure. So the capacitor we are checking in this point 10 mF, because I have this facility in this multimeter. So I'm going to check this one. Have a look over here. It's showing 0.023. Okay, 0.5, 0.402 NF. We'll see what is the mark over here. 0.3 MUF. Okay, it's looks okay, it's correct. So we'll check the next one as well. It's not sure it will show, because we have to remove, for the best result we have to remove out the capacitor and then check. It's showing 6 MUF. We'll see. It's showing 5. It means it looks okay. So other things, it looks other things are okay. So only the breeze is short. So here see all the dots. This is small. It's due to the cockroach, I think, and then rust over the jumper. Okay, so normally it looks okay. So we'll check and we'll give supply and check again. First I will replace the bridge diode, this one. See, it is over here. Okay, I replaced the bridge diode. I removed see, I replaced, and I add one LED over here on the IGBT, not on the drain side. source and the gate. So we'll see the oscillation as well. So now I plug it, the panel. See now it's not showing short. See buzzer. Okay. Okay. So we will now I will give the powers. Power is given. Now I'll make it on. See, look on the LEDs for the oscillation. So now I on, then I will set on the program. See, can you see the oscillation? See, so first times it will check the system will check container is there or not for the cooking. So it's getting on and on and on to identify the pot is there or not. So normally say it's showing E0 means there is no vessel on the cooktop. So we'll check it after fixing all the things. So normally it sounds everything okay.